Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss use mobile booking map feature in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service mobile app. Like it is available for resources that have a type of user. So how that it work on the Field Service mobile app, and the resource can now view all of their assigned booking on a map. Now I will explain how to do that. So in order to enable booking maps, first turn on full toggle in your environment. So first navigate Power Platform Admin Center and then click on environments from here. Now select the environment in which you are working on and then click on settings and then expand the product section from here. So click on features. Now scroll down and you can see it is already turned on for this environment and just need to set full to on. So scroll down and make sure that you save these changes. Now go back to the schedule board. So click on that. So I have already scheduled this work order for this resource. Now log into the mobile application. So here I am in the mobile application. So these are, as you can see, today is Friday Jan 10. And if I want to see the bookings for the different days, so you can change it from here. Now again click on Friday. And it does not work for the agenda, but also for the booking maps. And in order to access booking maps, so click on agenda from here. Now you should see the map option. So click on that and write those the booking map that you can access, which will now show you your bookings on that map on your mobile device. And you can also see this is a blue color pin. So there are different pin color and you have the blue pin which is booking with status of schedule or any custom status that you might use. And then you have green, so those are traveling in progress or break statuses. And also you have a gray pin which is complete status or cancel status. And if I want to get detail, I can just click on that blue pin. As you can see, it give me a couple of things. So I can see the status is scheduled and I can see it is supposed to start at 7:45 p.m. and duration is 30 minutes, as I can see here. So where it is, I can see what the name of it is, work order number, and also go ahead and start navigation from here. So click on that. You will see turn by turn navigation you have on your mobile device and then just click on direction. So that will start turn by turn navigation, and also I can see view details. So click on that. Now you will see the booking. And here I can also see the plus and minus sign that I can use for that. One thing more in booking map is that we do have the ability to configure field service mobile to be, and unfortunately currently bookings map will not work off the device, does not have access to the internet. So if you are set your mobile device to offline mode while you still have internet access, so then obviously booking maps they will work. So but anytime you don't have online access, then the booking maps are not working. So in this video we covered how to use map feature in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service mobile app. Thanks for watching.